In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to Loom videos. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to open, and how to organize your video so captions are easy to follow and your audience can jump to the parts they care about most. Start by heading to your Loom workspace. From the home screen, navigate to your library. This is where all your recordings live, and it's the quickest way to get to the video you want to update. If you have a lot of content, use search or filters to find the right recording faster. Clear titles help a ton here, so consider naming your videos in a way that makes them easy to spot later. Open the video you want to work on. Loom typically generates a transcript from your audio, which powers the on-screen captions. If your recording just finished uploading, give it a moment to process. Good audio quality makes a big difference. A quiet room, a decent microphone, and speaking at a steady pace will improve accuracy. If you notice small transcription quirks, they often resolve after processing completes, and clearer recordings will always produce better results. While you're on the video page, add a short summary. Think of this as a 1 or 2 sentence description that helps viewers understand what they'll learn before they even press play. Keep it concise and specific. Mention the problem you're solving or the outcome they can expect. This not only sets expectations, but also pairs nicely with captions because it frames the conversation and gives context to your spoken words. Next, add chapters. Chapters create timestamp jump points that align with key moments in your video. Break your content into logical sections, such as introduction, main steps, and wrap-up, and label each one with a clear action-oriented title. Consistent formatting, like starting each chapter with a verb, keeps things scannable. Chapters work hand in hand with captions. Captions help people follow every word, while chapters help them navigate and rewatch exactly what they need. When everything looks good, take a moment to preview your video end to end. Watch a few sections to ensure your summary matches the content and your chapter titles align with the moments they mark. If anything feels off, small wording tweaks can make a big difference in clarity. That's it. You went to your library, opened the video, added a helpful summary, and organized chapters so your captions are more useful and your